Hello, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm concentrating on doing a bit of commentary on modelling with disabilities. As people know, I've got what I refer to as spazzy hands. I get twitches like Jack Douglas, and I've got trembles and all sorts of shit going on, other shit as well in my life. I'm not the most well person. I've got long time COVID, so basically I find it hard to concentrate at times. Getting better with that gradually, but I don't think it's something I'm gonna get over after having a bad bout of COVID. And you can see the trembles, and I weren't going to get it anyway because it's a domed head. I had to flatten the head off, but the main thing I've got to say is regarding disabilities. Find ways around thing. I work by bracing my hands on objects or each other, or bracing tools, as you can see there. Brace them and line them up on fingers, other parts of hands. It gets a bit dicey with drills because you have to know when to move your foot, etc. Not the safest exactly, but as you can see, works for me. And here we go into the jar of joy, stripping the paint. It's just sad. I'd advise anybody to have a go with disabilities, as long as it's ones that obviously would detract from it too much, but I seem to get by for the moment. And I use derogatory terms as well, which I'm allowed to. Hell, it's my disability. And others, if you find if you mix with other disabled people, which I have, I've been on courses. They're the most politically incorrect bunch of people you'll ever meet. If you're looking for sympathy, it won't be off them. And there we are, we're just putting it into primer. And there it's got the colour coat and a bit of glue. And I'd honestly advise anyone. A lot of people watch these videos and think I couldn't do this for one thing or another. Some probably thinking I couldn't do that because I have trembles like him. And you don't know till you try. Give it a whiz. I seem to get by. You won't believe the screw-ups I make sometimes. I was amazed I didn't stick it to my fingers there when I pressed it together. But I'd say I don't make that many more screw-ups compared to when I did it when I was younger. Here I'm just polishing the window with Solvasol. Solvalotasol. It's something. Obviously the finer points when you get on to detail painting. I put one up of a transit the other day. You have to really brace yourself. Usually I'll do that off film and somewhere where I can brace and holds work close to me. And you couldn't get a camera in to film it really. And at this point I'm gluing the base onto the yatming truck. And so some stuff I don't film like other people do, and like I say, if you've got shakes and you fancy doing it, there we are. Shakes have caused the wheels to go back. Sometimes, as I say, when you do find a work, you'll have multiple tries at getting it right. And if you have something that's difficult for normally, like abled person, you'll find you might spend the whole afternoon doing it. But eventually you will get there, and it's worth the results at the end to say I did it, even as you are. And this give me problems because the chassis were bent because of how somebody had riveted it on. And when I let go, you'll watch it. I've held it down for super glue to hold quite a bit, but when I let go, it'll just pop up again. So I got round it in my own inevitable fashion. There you are, look, you can see it's coming up when you let go. There's ways and means around things. And that's like with any sort of disability in this game, you find ways and means to get round it. Here, the answer to it keeping popping up was getting an FD socket out of my toolbox and just place it on it till it dried. Anyway, here's the place where we started, a beat up, battered old Yatming Coca-Cola wagon, looking a bit paint worn. I didn't actually wash or do anything with the back section because it was already good. And here's where we finished up. The somewhat nicer looking Yatming Coke truck. I don't know what that white piece was on the windscreen. I think it might be a bit of polish or something on the inside, I don't know. I'll live with it though, it's not bad compared to where we were before and where we are now. The front wheels don't turn because the chassis were broken and I had to glue them in. But I'll live with that, it's only a little display model. And really it served its purpose for this video. Anyway, thank you for watching. Keep your eye out for my next video. And if you haven't subscribed, why the hell not? Join the party. Anyway, bye for now and